Namaskar. We think we know who we are. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. We think we know who we are, but we don't. No, we don't. Not until something bad happens to us. And then all the useless people, all the useless things fall away, and we're left with who we truly are, who we really are. I learned that from my whole life. You know, I thought I knew who I was, but no. I found out the truth when I get to know myself, when I discovered myself. I found out that I am the strongest person I had ever met. Yeah, you know? And it's my strength that touched so many people, shaped them, you know? And you know what? That's my legacy. Yeah, that's how my memory will endure in the actions of those who I inspired. Yes. Yeah. In so many different ways. So, I'm proud of myself. I love myself. Thank you, Amira. Dear unique, always remember you are unique and there is only one you. Only one you. Okay? If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Thank you so much. Love you. Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever.